yesterday, today, and tomorrow. That is past, present, and future. When we talk about events or incidents taking place, we need to mention their day or the date. There lies the importance of days of the week, that is, les jours de la semaine in French. Hi guys, I'm back with my next video. Here in this video, we'll learn days of the week and the related vocab. So let's get started. So let's start with the first day of the week. That's Monday according to French calendar. So Monday in French is pronounced as lundi. Lundi. Tuesday in French is pronounced as mardi. Mardi. Wednesday in French is spoken as mercredi. 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 Thursday in French is spoken as jeudi. 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 Friday in French is spoken as vendredi. Vendredi. Let's move to the weekends now. Saturday and Sunday. Saturday in French is spoken as samedi. Samedi. Sunday in French is spoken as dimanche. Dimanche. So now let's move to the other vocab related to this topic, days of the week. Day, which is of 24 hours. Day in French is spoken as le jour. Le jour. Le jour. Week consists of 7 days. So week in French is spoken as la semaine. La semaine. But you have seen le and la with day and week. You need to note that each noun comes with an article in French. It can be the or a or an, but that depends on the gender of the noun. Each noun has a gender that we'll study later on. So let's move further. Today, aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui. Yesterday, hier. Hier. Day before yesterday, avant-hier. 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 Tomorrow, demain. Demain. Day after tomorrow in French is spoken as après-demain. Après-demain. The following day, le lendemain. Le lendemain. Le lendemain. Next, the word next has two pronunciations, one masculine, another feminine. As I told you earlier, each noun in French has a gender. When the word next is written with any noun, it will be changed according to the gender. For example, la prochaine semaine. Semaine is a feminine noun. So, prochaine in case of feminine noun. Prochain. Prochain in case of masculine noun. Okay. Prochain in case of masculine. Prochaine in case of feminine. Similarly, the word last also has two pronunciations. One masculine, another feminine. In case of masculine, it is dernier. Dernier. In case of feminine, it is dernière. Dernière. Merci guys, that was all for today. If you like our video, hit this like button and share as much as you can, and do mention in the comment box how do you like our video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel E-connaissance and hit the bell button so you get notified when our next video is uploaded. Au revoir.